here we are. Challenge accepted. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is another makeup challenge. This time I was challenged by TEMIE to do the lockdown picks my eyeshadow makeup challenge, and here we are. Challenge accepted. So the whole idea behind this challenge is for you to pick like a significant day in this entire lockdown, and you're going to use that number to pick different eyeshadow colors you're going to apply on your eyelid. So I had to do the rest of my face off camera. This was done in less than 30 minutes. Like, I didn't want to waste time because I had already filmed another video before this one, and I realized that my mic wasn't on. This mic business, we need to be very intentional about it. Anyway, so TEMIE, thank you for challenging me. So I'm going to be doing this lockdown makeup challenge. I have like two eyeshadow palettes with me here that I think they are more than 20 colors in the palette. So I'm going to be using that. I'm not going to cheat. And so I have two eyeshadow palettes here. One is from Royal Makeup. Royal Makeup has a combination of matte and shimmers, and I have my Muff eyeshadow 3502 second to none palette. I think that's what it's called, second nature palette, and it has a mix of pigmented shimmers and matte eyeshadow colors. So I'm going to be using the Muff eyeshadow palette. This is just benefit of doubt because you guys know I love this eyeshadow palette, so let it not look as if I'm going to be using an eyeshadow palette I like, and I'm already used to the colors in it. The last time I used this eyeshadow palette really well was when I got it in 2018, and I think that was then. So I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette, and it has 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so it also has 35 colors in it. The date I'm going to be picking that was significant to me will definitely be my traditional wedding date anniversary, and that is 26th of April 2020. So I'm going to be picking 26, I'm going to be picking 4, and I'm going to be picking 20. So this is number 1, and I'm going to go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27. Okay, so this is 26. This is our first number. I hope I don't forget, you guys. This is 26, and this is our first number, and the next number is 4, and I can see 1 2 3 4. You guys can tell which one is 4. So 4 is this one here, and 20, I hope I don't forget. Let me just mark, like put a mark on this eyeshadow so I don't forget the number 26. So I already put a mark here so I don't forget. The 4 is obvious, and the number 20 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Oh wow. So my number 20 fell under here. This is my number 20. Let's come up and personal into my space. So now that we are up and personal, up and close into your face, the first color I'm going to be using as a transition like color, or the color on my crease, is going to be now I'm thinking maybe I should have used the Royal Makeup because it has a lot of like colors you can play with, but I don't want it to seem like I'm doing Pasha because I like that eyeshadow palette a lot. So I'm going to be going in with my number 4 because I think number 4. Oh guys, what do you guys think? Should I use the Royal Makeup palette? Let me know, so that I don't know. Okay, so the next color I'm going to be picking is 20. The number 20. So before I go into my number 20, yes, let me just do a slight nothing serious anyways, just a slight cut crease. Okay, so number 20. Okay, I'm going to be doing the same thing for this other eye, and I'm done with the two eyes, and I'm going to go in with the last shade, which is the 26, I think, which is the 26, and still going in with that same brush. Just using pattern motions, nothing too serious. I'm just going to go in back with that color, the number 20. I think I'm done, so I'm just going to go off camera and I'm going to line my eyes, wear my lashes, and I'll be back. So guys, this is what I came up with. This is the finished look of this makeup challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a really quick one. I didn't want the video to be too long. I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fabulous day ahead, guys. Bye.